What up, players? Back at it with another video. I know this is a weird upload day. I'm uploading this video on a Wednesday instead of yesterday, which is Tuesday. I really wanted to upload this video yesterday, but the main part of this video didn't come in like I expected. It actually just came in right now. So I'm kind of just filming this all last minute to try to get this uploaded tomorrow for you guys. As you can see here, I got a big old box on the floor. I kind of wanted to do like an unboxing style video for you guys, but when the package got here, the box was kind of like in a bad condition, and I didn't want to sign without checking the inside and see what it looked like inside. So I had to make sure and open it. I ended up opening it out in the street and making sure everything was good before I signed for them to take off. So kind of an unboxing video, even though the box is already open. And let me clean some of this stuff up and bring out what I got so I could show you guys. You guys already could probably tell by the thumbnail and title of the video, but here's a little sneak peek of what I got. The brand Glasstek. Yeah, I'm gonna fold these all up and throw them away, and we'll bring that new part out. Alright, players, there it is. My new Glasstek Sunoco style hood. So this is pretty much the same style hood Bethel has on his car. This is a Sunoco style as well. This is a Nova version. It's the same brand from Glasstek. I ended up getting this hood just because I really liked how it came out on Bethel's car. I always saw this style hood and I always wanted one. Bethel's just faster at getting it than I was. I didn't really think I needed to get a new hood. I already had a pretty big cow hood. Down over there's a 4-inch cow from I believe it's hardwood or something. It's also fiberglass. But like I said, this is Glasstek's 5-inch Sunoco style hood. Bethel's hood is a full pin-on, and this one is actually a bolt-on, so I'm able to use my hood hinges. I couldn't even use the latch, the front hood latch, but I'm gonna end up doing similar style hood pins like I got here. I don't know if I'm gonna do similar style or like the little button clicker ones, or I don't know. I'm gonna switch these up. I don't really like these. These are just like some AutoZone ones. But let's see. I'm gonna start taking this off so we can bolt this one on and see what it, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna bolt it on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just throw it on, let it sit there, see how it looks. So here's a little kind of like a front walk around of the car so you can see what it's gonna look like once I have the other hood on. That'll be really twinning Bethel's hood. I really like how it like has its high point like in the middle. It starts off low, gets high, and then it goes back down. So anyways, let me get to taking this one off and we'll throw this one on, see what it looks like, guys. So another issue that I'm gonna have to fix is these hood hinges, because my hinges are both broken. My hood always rubs up on the cowl panel, so it's kind of annoying. So I think I might just get some replacement, like original ones, or maybe pay a little more and get some cool billet ones. I'm not really sure yet, but that's why I don't really care about bolting the new one on yet. I'm gonna just sit it on there, see what it looks like. I don't want it getting all scratched up or anything with the new hood. So I'm gonna take these hood pins out, take out the hinges, and keep things rolling. Also, the engine bay has just been collecting dust. Look how crusty the battery terminals are. But it's just been collecting all the dust and stuff from when I signed the car. I have never driven out on the streets since then. You can see how dusty it is. Probably not a good idea to leave this all sitting like this, but it still turns on. Everything works fine. Anyways, I just want to show you guys real quick. It's been a while since I drove it. So now that we got this hood, actually, this was, I don't know if any of you guys noticed in my other videos, but I was telling you that my brother Weddle was telling me this was the only reason why he hasn't been working on my car, is because he didn't have the hood to line up my fenders and door gaps and everything. So now leave in the comments for him to hurry up so we could get this thing painted already. Tell him to hurry up and get working on the car. I don't know if I ever mentioned this like in another video or any of my old videos before, but this hood had flew open on me once before, so there's like a big crack right here on the inside part. And one morning, me and my friends were gonna go to like Azusa and stuff to ride in the canyon. For whatever reason, I can't remember why we stopped, but for some reason I opened my hood and I never put the hood pins back in. So when I was driving, before we even got to the freeway, I was probably just going like 30 miles per hour at least, and the hood just flew open. And luckily it didn't go all the way or anything, but it did crack right here. The outside didn't really mess up, just like the paint's chipped and stuff, but it's like a super old paint job on it. So that's a kind of like, ever since then, it was like years ago, I wanted to get a new hood. I just didn't really care because it still worked, didn't really mess up the outside. Then like a few other things happened where I didn't have the neutral safety switch wired properly, and I started the car in drive accidentally, and there's like a pole in front of me where I was parked, and so it's kind of like the paint's chipped right here just from like the impact against the, I think it like barely tapped it or something, I can't remember, but yeah. Anyways, this is a badass hood. I am gonna have it for sale. If you guys follow me on Instagram, the Yonke page on Instagram, I'll probably have it posted, see if anybody wants it. I did plan on like having my brother fix that, the crack, and probably repainting and stuff, but I'd rather just get rid of it now so it's not taking up the space. So yeah, if you're interested, message us on Instagram or leave a comment and we'll see if we can work something out. This is a Harwood brand 4-inch cowl hood, and just like the other one, you're able to use your hinges and your latch. Even has a hole for the trim, and the only thing is you could use your original hinges as long as you got one of these soft springs on it, so it doesn't just rip it open like the original spring. So I'm gonna get to taking this off right now, and then we'll see what the new one looks like on here. Alright, I wanted to show the bottom side to who anybody's was interested or looking into getting a Glasstek hood, or at least this one in specific. This is what it looks like underneath. Pretty structurized, like how this piece goes across. But it's pretty solid material. It doesn't feel cheap. I mean, it's fiberglass, you know, so it feels pretty sturdy for being fiberglass. It comes with the hardware you need for the hood hinges and even some for the hood latch, which not 100% sure if I'm going to be running, but I know I'm gonna have it on hinges, and I might be doing hood pins, don't know where. I don't really like how they are in this part because they're like so close to the middle of the actual like scoop. Kind of looks weird to me. So I'm gonna see if I can make some type of either bracket over here or just get them as far out near fender area. I don't know with my battery being over here how it's gonna work out, but I'll figure something out. But I just want to show you guys the underside, kind of like a review type video before I throw this on. But pretty happy with how it looks so far, and let me throw it on now. Just place it on top. I don't want to like freaking drop it by myself.
Oh, you also got one of these?
Yeah. Sick, huh?
Dang.
This is just sitting it on. This looks pretty sick. It looks small compared to how my other one looked.
Bento's looks longer, but that's probably because of his car's longer.
Yeah, I could. There's another version that gets rid of this, and this hood, the hood comes all the way up to here and makes it like one piece. But then I have to pull it off like Bethel's. With this one, I'm gonna be able to open it still.
Yeah, instead of having to freaking
yeah, instead of having to take it all off. But it looks pretty sick, man.
It's gonna fly out on the thing. Hot.
Right now, yeah, because I don't have it bolted down, but.
Dang, fool, you gonna cook an egg on this thing?
But with these, look, these are the hinges, so I could open and close it. But I just took them off just for now because they're broken, but it's pretty sick, huh?
Yeah. You get them like the same color as black.
Yeah. Damn, that thing looks vicious now. Alright guys, it looks pretty fucking sick. I really like how it looks. Matching with Bethel's now. Freaking twins, but super hyped how it looks. Like, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty well. I mean, it's just sitting there, but the gaps are kind of like equal on both sides. Looks pretty tight actually, but we'll see how it is when Martin starts messing with it. So now, if you guys know any good kind of like small hood pin styles or hood hinge brands, if I should go with the original ones, if I should go with like similar style to Bethel's hood pins or the regular AutoZone hood pins, or what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And I'm gonna be making videos on all that stuff once I get it anyway, so you'll see what I end up deciding. But for now, I guess I'm gonna just leave this hood here. Like I said, if anybody's interested in that hood, let me know. This is like pretty much just paint scratch, the paint coming off on this part, like I was telling you, with the whole little pole accident, and then the inside crack. But pretty solid 4-inch cow hood for a Nova. If you know how to fix fiberglass, it's kind of like super simple fix. But also, there's been a lot of people asking about merch and everything, so I just stocked up on some black t-shirts. Here's a Yonke logo. It's pretty. This is a shirt, the one I'm wearing right now. It's got the Yonke logo small on the front, and in the back, I don't know if you can see it, but people have seen them before. I got them stocked up back on the website, so I'm gonna post a link for you guys. I just put those on yesterday, and I ordered a bunch of stickers too. A lot of people have been asking for the stickers, so I ordered another batch of these stickers. They should be on the same website at least by next week. If not, they'll be up there. Shouldn't be too long because they're already on their way, so look out for those. I got some new hats coming in too, probably next week also. They're also gonna be on the website, so pretty much I'm stocking up on all the merch. You guys been asking for it, so make sure to check out the website. I'm gonna put the link right here and in the description of this video, so you guys can click on it and go straight to it. We appreciate everyone buying our merch and supporting us, ordering stickers, sending us pictures with all the merch and stickers we've put out so far, and thanks to the videos and all the support we get on the videos too. It's all going to more content pretty much, so stay tuned, guys. You already know we're gonna keep you guys updated with everything going on back here. The Nova should be moving a little bit faster now that we got the new hood. Martin should be able to, like I said earlier, start lining up my front end. I'm probably gonna have to get those hood hinges real soon. And also, I wanted to do is shave this cow panel. I don't know if you guys have seen in videos where my brother C10, all these little vents are completely smoothened out. Same thing with this wiper hole. I want to shave it all and have it nice and smooth. That's my next idea pretty much I might be doing on this. So I got to get like all the metal work done on this car before we do like real body work, because obviously you don't do that stuff after. So just like I said, guys, stay tuned, check out the website, and grab yourself some merch. All right, Dean, this is gonna be our little sneak peek into our brains right now. This is gonna be the quick ending to the video.
Hold on, I need to think real quick.
Now we're gonna have some good ideas. All right, guys, this is gonna be the secret little ending to this video. No words, just this is what our brain is.
How do they say? Food for thought?
Food for thought, yeah. Food for thought right here. Foods for thought.
Think about what's going on in our heads right now, because we don't even know what's going on in our heads.
Alright, guys, so I know it was a quick little video. I just haven't really done much of the cars, but I want to show you guys the new hood and stuff. So
me and Fred have been on vacation.
Yeah, we've been on vacation
for too long.
So that's our brain right now. So do what you want with that information. We'll catch you guys next week.